Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to add a YouTube bot to Discord. First, go to Discord and make sure you're logged into the account that manages the server where you want to add the bot. Now, open a new tab and search for a YouTube Discord bot. Then click on the bot's official website or invite page. Here, click on invite. Discord may show a message saying that the bot wants to access your Discord account. Click continue to proceed. Next, select the Discord server where you want to add the bot. Make sure you have the manage server permission for that server. Now click authorize. You may be asked to review the permissions the bot needs. Check the permissions and continue if you're satisfied. Then complete the I'm not a robot verification if it appears. Once the authorization process is complete, return to your Discord server. You should now see the YouTube bot in the member list of your server. Next, follow the bot's setup instructions to connect a YouTube channel, enable notifications, or configure commands depending on the bot's features. You can also adjust the bot's permissions and choose which channel should receive YouTube upload alerts. Once everything is configured, test the bot to make sure it is working correctly and sending notifications as expected. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.